of my crazy updates. Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. I just came back from Ladakh like 5 minutes back, changed my clothes and I found this package which has arrived. It's something really special, so we're going to quickly unbox it. This is the GoPro Hero 10 Black. It has this tripod in the box along with 2 batteries as well, and there is a memory card too, 64 GB. There it is. The camera, we're just going to remove the plastic sheets. The front one, the top one, yeah, it has got the blue treatment now. Behind one, and of course the one on the lens as well. I'm just going to quickly set up the camera. It also comes with a few mounts, so you can stick your GoPro wherever you feel like with 3M tape attached to it already, and this is so that you can stick it on the tripod or anywhere you like. I also like the fact that it comes with this sort of a card which has the preferred settings for whatever activity or however you want to use your GoPro. So right now I'm actually going down the stairs, and I kid you not, I am actually jumping. And you can see it stabilizes thanks to HyperSmooth 4, which is new and really stabilizes very nicely indeed. The best thing is that this is in-camera audio, which is very smooth. You can hear me very clearly and I can run as much as I like. By the way, this is at 5.3K 60 frames per second. Do you guys know that I've had almost every GoPro? Actually, I've had all the GoPros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and recently in the 9 and this 10 of course. Now the whole Ladakh trip, almost all of it was shot on the Hero 9. Now इसमें क्या इशू है छोटा सा कि मैं ऑडियो अडेप्टर लगाता हूँ. Why do I put an audio adapter? Because I want to record in the helmet, of course. Now you see it is exposed here. There are 2 plugs. One is obviously for charging and one is for the audio adapter, the aux plug. Now इसमें क्या इशू होता है कि waterproofing चली जाती है because obviously the door is open. तो मैंने खुद से waterproofing कर दी थी. Actually Dhanil helped me do the waterproofing. हम लोग ने tape लगाई थी, electric tape and all. So now once that was sealed, it's not easy for me to remove the battery and then charge it. मतलब बहुत time लगता है. तो I was like मैं निकालूंगा नहीं battery में. I will charge it through this cable only. So it meant that one full day I had to go on one battery only because there's no option of changing the battery. You won't believe the battery actually lasted a whole day. मतलब 20-30% बच जाती थी. How did that happen? First and foremost, the battery of the 9 and 10 is bigger. I'm going to test the battery of the 10 to see it lasts more than the 9 or not. But the 9's battery really lasted very well. Itni achhi chali. And the best thing is GoPro has something known as quick capture. What it does is you just press a button here and it starts recording, and you press the button and it stops recording. So you don't have to actually turn on the camera, then go into the settings and start recording and any of that sort. It was so easy for me because I have shot so much footage. I think I've shot more than 100 files on the GoPro itself, and Ladakh की footage आप देख ही रहे हो. ये ऐसे ही निकालना पड़ेगा आज तो भाई. तो आराम से निकाल लेंगे इसके बाजू से. It looks so amazing on the 9. I can't wait to see what happens with the 10 because the 10 has a new processor. It's a GP2 processor. It's twice the frame rates almost, and most of you have been like, "Arey 4K क्यों नहीं record करते?" So now I'm going to start doing 4K. This is actually 5.3K 60 frames per second. This has been downsized because this video is 1080. I started the video unboxing on 1080 in the camera. बाकी पूरा video has been shot on this GoPro 10. I think it's a fantastic camera because now 5.3K 60 FPS 4K पे तो 60 FPS आराम से करेगा. 2.7K पे 8x slow motion करता है. Let's see how it is by doing some drift.
I can see the truth. No, you don't have to lie to me. Don't fill your head with things and think you're free.
You guys just saw how amazing the Honda City was looking while drifting. Now imagine me doing this in an M5. That would be even better. The photo quality is also improved. It does 23 megapixels. मैं तो burst mode पे photo लेता हूँ गाड़ी चलाते हुए या bike भी चलाते हुए, so that I get the best shot where the RPM needle is almost at the red line. That's also super cool. And you know the touch is also improved. The lens is also slightly different. It's much better. So काफी सारे अच्छे positive changes हुए हैं नए GoPro 10 में. I've also noticed that the camera is faster to connect to the app. And now with GoPro subscription, you can upload all your content in full resolution to the cloud. You just put it on charge and all this happens very seamlessly. However, not everything is perfect because क्या था ना, GoPro ने I think Hero 5, 6, 7, 8 इनमें तो मैंने शूट किए ब्लॉग, तो मुझे पता है. इधर you could see a live preview while recording. लेकिन 9 और 10 में ये फीचर नहीं है. What this basically means is, आप लोग देखते हो गाड़ी में मेरे साथ कोई बैठा होता है. It's not for a joyride. The person is sitting to monitor the camera because when I go over a bump, I turn, तो कैमरा थोड़ा बहुत टेढ़ा हो जाता है. या तो मैं सनरूफ पे माउंट करता हूँ या हेड पे माउंट करता हूँ. और हेड में क्या होता है, थोड़ी बहुत स्वेटिंग होती है. स्वेटिंग की वजह से कैमरा हिल जाता है. सो द पर्सन मॉनिटर्स द कैमरा एंड टेल्स मी अगर कैमरा हिल गया है. नाउ दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ लाइव प्रीव्यू. बट 9 और 10 में लाइव प्रीव्यू नहीं है, विच इज़ अ बिट ऑफ अ बमर. 9 में दे वर सेइंग बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इट हैज़ अ फ्रंट स्क्रीन ऑल्सो, सो टू मच प्रोसेसिंग पावर इज नीडेड. नाउ विथ 10 हैविंग अ very fast processor, the GP2, I hope they bring that feature back so that I can actually monitor the camera. Most people don't do it, but मेरा use GoPro का बहुत ही different है. But maybe they got rid of the feature because the GoPro now has something known as in camera horizon leveling. वो अभी 45 डिग्रीज तक होता है 10 में, 9 में 27 डिग्रीज तक था. सो इससे व्हाट हैपेंस इज इट्स एबल टू स्टेबलाइज एंड कीप द कैमरा एंगल स्ट्रेट एज वेल. तो वो भी फीचर आई विल ट्राई व्हेन आई शूट मोर व्लॉग्स विद दिस कैमरा, बिकॉज अभी तो मुझे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिला, तो यू कैन जस्ट कॉल इट एन इनिशियल इंप्रेशन. बट आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू शूट अ लॉट ऑफ व्लॉग्स इन द GoPro 10, बिकॉज मेरा तो बहुत यूज़ होता है GoPro का, प्लस थोड़े बहुत एक्शन शॉट्स एंड ऑल will also be awesome in this camera. What I'm most excited for is the low light performance which has improved on the Hero 10 Black, which means that जो ambient light में shoot करता हूँ रात को, which will come even better, and live streaming भी कर सकते हैं इस कैमरा से, so Saturday lives can also come back. मैं प्लान करूँगा. By the way, the price of this camera is 54,500 and नवंबर से अवेलेबल होगा. तो एक छोटा सा क्विक प्रीव्यू था कैमरा के बारे में. आई एम क्वाइट इम्प्रेस्ड बाय व्हाटएवर आई हैव सीन. अभी चलो ऑफिस चलते हैं, बिकॉज टुडे इज अ स्पेशल डे. धनल ने मुझे अभी रिमाइंड करवाया. What's up, bro? Say hello
to the Hero 10. बिलो है तो पूरा.
You're against the light.
ठीक है ना, मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ ऐसे.
So basically, Dhanil told me today is the first year anniversary of this new office of Motorbeam.
Yeah,
आज exactly date है.
नहीं, 5-10 दिन हो गए, लेकिन हम लोग ले में थे तो.
हाँ, तो तब बताया नहीं उसने मुझे, और अभी केक ऑर्डर कर दिया.
हाँ, तो करूँगा ना. सवाल हाउ डू खाना.
बाकी नहीं तो 30-50 इतने.
We completed a year और सब लोग भूखे ऐसे खा रहे हैं.
Cheers.
ऐसे चीज.
The fact that you can do that only with the GoPro.
So a small dessert party has been done in office right now, but अभी मुझे घर पहुंचना क्योंकि 4 बज चुके हैं, and I have to edit this video which goes live at 6:30. Hardly any time. Lunch भी करना बाकी है. There you can see some guys actually they're cleaning it. Really a crazy task. Hats off to them. And the view from office is always spectacular. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That's the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video real soon. Bye bye.